Hey guys, this is Nick from Surf Fishing in SoCal. Today we're going to be going over leopard shark fishing. So I'll kind of get into exactly what I do really. Let me cut this real quick. So here's the rig that I'm using. Right here we've got it all set up. We got three-way swivel right here, okay? And these are handmade myself, and you can check it out on the website. I've got them for sale. 90-pound wire lead crimped off right here with some single barrel crimps. 7/0 circle hooks, and I just do 2 pieces of chunk bait right there. So they're about 1-inch segments. Both hooks are snelled 7/0 circle hooks. And I like to keep my weight the same distance from swivel to hook as swivel to weight. 8-ounce pyramid. Nothing too fancy, that's all it is. From there I've got about 3 feet of, you can see it there, this line right here is 100-pound nylon coated monofilament, and I use that as my kind of shock leader. So I've got about 4 feet worth of really sturdy line that's not going to break off due to abrasion. From there we've got 50-pound monofilament, and that's actually a little messed up from the last shark. And don't pay attention to this. This is actually my rod light. Shout out to Kyle for the idea. It's basically an LED shoelace, and I use that for night fishing. The rod is a 12-foot Fiblink Moon Sniper. You can see it right here. I like it a lot. I think it's rated for 3 to 8 ounces. I don't know where the rating is, but you can take my word for it. The reel is a Penn Battle 2 6000 series. You can see right here. And on this, I've got basically it starts with 50-pound 50-pound braid to 50-pound mono, and then I go to my 100-pound nylon coated shock leader via a swivel here. This is always staying outside of my rungs when I'm casting, and then I go to the rig there. So the rod holder's also here. Shout out to Lysa Trail for the leopard shark sticker, pretty cool. You can see it right there. So all I'm doing is I'm finding a high spot on the beach. I'm looking for flat surf if possible and spots with no seaweed, but all you're doing is getting out there as far as you can. It doesn't need to be crazy far, but the further the better.